This is Lacey Howell with ReMax Run the Lake. Yeah, the point lot in the ridge. Definitely, we can do Saturday. 4 o'clock work? Okay, I'll see you then.
Hey, Lacey.
Hey, what's up?
Let's play a game.
I love games. What do you want to play?
I'm gonna ask you 20 questions.
Hit it.
Where are you working these days?
I am a realtor at ReMax Run the Lake in Alexander City on Lake Martin.
What's the most expensive house you've ever sold?
Ooh, I did a $2.5 million deal once.
What kind of boat do you have?
I have a sea hunt.
What's your favorite place to eat at the lake?
Spring house, no doubt.
What's your favorite way to spend a Saturday?
On a boat with friends, parked at an island with good music.
Where are you from?
Lake Martin native, born and raised.
What's your favorite sport?
Pool. Actually, horse jumping.
Where did you go to college?
I went to Auburn.
What'd you major in?
English. The English major is good for nothing and yet good for everything.
Are you married?
I'm married to John Howell at Madwin Studio.
Have kids?
No kids, a Shih Tzu, a Great Dane, and a pink pony.
Got any hobbies?
Tons. I'll be a great retired person. I love to travel, read, eat, jump horses, and garden.
What's your best advice for a lake buyer?
Best advice for my buyers, you really need to think about where you want to be, what you like to do, and what your budget is. And we'll do our best to find the perfect spot for you.
What's your best advice for a lake seller?
Sellers, you definitely need to be realistic about price, listen to your agent, declutter your home, and remember that curb appeal is very important. Sometimes a well-placed potted plant is all you need.
What's your favorite color?
Favorite color is turquoise.
What's your favorite food?
Cheesy fries, loaded, bacon, chives, ranch dressing, the works.
What kind of things could we find in your Jeep?
Tons of stuff. I've got a hammer, I've got boots, I've got a riding helmet, AirPods, a million water bottles in the floorboard, and realtor signs, always.
Who's your favorite singer?
Favorite singer would have to be a tie between Cher and Garth Brooks. If you can karaoke it, I'm there for it.
What's your favorite movie?
Favorite movie would have to be Twister with Bill Paxton.
What's your most annoying habit?
I can be kind of messy and I tend to misplace my keys and my phone often at the same time.
If you could go anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Italy.
What's your spirit animal?
Spirit animal is definitely a turtle. I was built for comfort, not speed.